For this tutorial, we are going to be using the construction-themed birthday garland from FettyFest.com. This garland box features bright colors, a couple fun themed foils, as well as some specialty caution balloons that we are going to assemble together. I highly recommend taking the time to watch our general tips and tricks video, as it covers some efficiency and installation tips that will save you a ton of time and headache. It's worth the watch, I promise. Let's start by inflating all of the 5-inch balloons by color, starting with the orange. As you inflate, tie balloons together into pairs and then make a cluster of 4 called a quad by wrapping the 2 pairs around each other at the knot. Once finished with the orange, move on to the white and clear balloons. Set the 5-inch quads aside while we finish preparing the other balloons. Tie each pair of quads together with a string balloon. Inflate the 12-inch balloons by color as well, tying into pairs and making quads in the same fashion as you did with the 5-inch balloons. Inflate your 18-inch balloons and tie shut with a string balloon. Lastly, let's prep the specialty caution balloons. Lay one of the caution tape strips face down on your work surface and grab one of the full clear 12-inch balloons that we inflated earlier and place it on top. Wrap the ends of the caution tape around the balloon and tie together. Cut off any excess tape. Tie an empty string balloon to the base of the caution balloon as an easy way to attach it later. Now it's time to round up all of the 12-inch quads. Begin by tying a string balloon to the first bronze quad knot cluster. Then place the next bronze quad on top and secure it with the string balloon by making a figure 8 around 2 of the balloons in the second cluster. Repeat these steps, attaching all the quads for each color one after another. When needed, tie a second string balloon to the first and continue adding quads. At this time, you will want to go ahead and attach the garland to the wall. Use the string balloons to attach to your wall hooks. You can hang the garland in any orientation you would like to fit your needs. Now it is time to add your specialty balloons and fillers. Let's start with the 5-inch quads. Once you have selected a spot for the quads, stretch them apart and floss the string balloon down between the 12-inch balloons and position the quads where you think they look best. Make sure to match the 5-inch balloon cluster color to the corresponding colored portion of the garland. To attach the caution balloons, thread the string balloon down to the nearest knot cluster where you would like to attach and wrap it several times around the base. Make sure that the knot from the caution tape is toward the back. Repeat until all 5 caution balloons are attached. I like to spread them out every 2 feet or so, alternating sides of the garland. Repeat this step with your 18-inch balloons. Use the included pump to fill the foil balloons. Insert the pump into the valve and inflate until completely firm. Place the included adhesive hooks onto the back of the foils and attach another string balloon. You can attach as many as you would like, and there's no wrong way to position them.